Hi. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? You've got some sort of armor on your shoulder. Yeah. What is it? Oh, that's just for safety. Yeah. Does your hotel have a working refrigerator? Does my hotel have a working refrigerator? Yeah. This sounds like it could be going in dangerous places. You have a place that keep a small body cold. Okay, this is not the actual question. Oh, this is just small house. In my hotel, will I have a working refrigerator? Yeah, I feel like I'm walking into a trap, but okay. Suck it, yes, I do. That's cool, because a lot of people have to use their tubs, so... A lot of people have to use the tubs? Oh, really? Are you trying to clean yourself in the refrigerator? Maybe you don't know how these appliances work. Yes, I was trying to take a nap, but the microwave was far too small. So I had to lie down on the bed. That's why I have a drink in my hand. Drink a soda while showering. Yes, I get it. No, I get it. It makes perfect sense. Yeah. Big space saver too, potentially. Yeah. It makes life so much easier. Like, what would life be like? Oh! Ouch. People, that was sort of like a verbal cane. People like, go back there because nobody back there can see, but screw you guys. So, anyway, I was just wondering if you could have dinner with any 10 people dead or alive, who would they and why? Any 10 people dead or alive, who and why? Yeah. Well, listen, before I get done, let me recite the phone book for you, because I think it will be riveting. Any 10 people? Really? Oh, you know what, 5. We'll do 5. No, not doing 5 either. Nope. You know what? Try this. It's okay. Take it outside? Sure. Okay, I'll be down there. Okay.
Poor thing.
Okay, I am going to take her up on that. I can see who these people are back here. Oh. Hi, Judy. Please watch me.
Yeah. No.
So this is what it's like to be Richard State. Is that how he hobbles? I don't have the same hump in my back that he has. His hair is far prettier, and his is real. So.
Oh my God.
No, I'm just kidding. Oh, hi, Doctor.